Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance records when using Rocket Mortgage step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Rocket Mortgage account. Navigate to the dashboard where your mortgage details are displayed. Locate the section for uploading documents or records. Select the option to upload insurance records. Prepare your insurance documents by ensuring they are in an acceptable file format, such as PDF or JPEG. Choose the specific records you wish to transfer from your device. Click on the Upload button to initiate the transfer process. Wait for the system to confirm that your documents have been received. Check for any notifications or prompts regarding additional information needed. If required, follow the instructions to provide further details about your insurance policy. Once everything is uploaded, verify that the documents are correctly displayed in your Rocket Mortgage account. Keep an eye out for confirmation from Rocket Mortgage regarding the successful transfer of your insurance records. Reach out to customer support if you encounter any issues during the transfer process. Ensure that your insurance records are up to date and accurately reflect your coverage. This will help maintain smooth processing of your mortgage application. Regularly check back to ensure all documents are in order as you progress through the mortgage process. Initiate any necessary follow-ups to resolve outstanding issues promptly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.